Hello guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to create a birthday invitation card. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to change the layout here. So I'm changing the layout to blank and I'll move on to the design tab and customize the design. So what you have to customize here is just going to be the slide here. So just go to custom. So leave it the default here and click on OK and then click on maximize. So now, one thing again I would like us to do here is to use a picture as the background here. So to do that, you simply have to right click on the image in the background here and click on the format shape. So when the format background appears here, you can see that on the properties here, you can see something like picture or texture field. Just click on it. So after clicking on this, is the default one that you see. Normally, when you have to insert a picture or anything or a texture, when you click on the button here, the default one that usually comes in here will be this one. So now we click on the insert button and then we'll click on a file because I want us to insert an image as the background. Alright, so you see the image has now fit inside in it. So meaning that this image, as is now the background of it, we are now going to start designing inside of this one because this one is an image inside of the worksheet here or the slide here so that it will look exactly as what we wanted to achieve. So now the next thing again I would like us to do here is to go to the insert tab, click on the text box and we click here to insert a text. So the text that I'm going to insert here is you are invited to, so I'll bring something like name, so and also I'll add something like birthday. So I'll align all of it at the center. So let's take the first one, that's that you are invited to, we are going to format it one after the other with different font styles. So I'll make a calibrate and I'll use 20. So with the name and the birthday, I have to change the font of it. So let's go with the print, single print. And the size, let's try with 32 and see. And we'll also make it bold. So now with these ones, I want us to change the color of it, not just for us to use this color, but I want us to change the color of this name and the birthday here. So you can leave it this way, but I want us to change the color. So to change the color, simply I'll just select this one because I want to change the color of that one, and I'll click on this one, and then I'll click on this color. So you can see this color is okay, but I want us to customize that color. So I simply have to go and click back there and click on more colors. So I'll reduce this one a little. Alright, so I think this color is not bad. So I'll again go to the next one here. I want us to choose pink for this color. So you can see here there's no pink there. So I'll go to more colors to see if I can find pink around here. So okay, I didn't do the right thing, so let's try it again. Alright, I forgot of one thing, because before you have to do that, you simply have to choose one of the colors there. So let's see if I choose this color, and then I'll now come and click there and click on more colors. So it will now give me a chance to customize this color. I think that's what I missed out. So you can see the new color that we are trying to achieve here. So I want us to achieve some color closer to this pink here. Alright, so this one is not bad. So now I want us to just make a copy of this text here, and we'll change this text inside in it. So I'm just going to change it to text like, please join us in celebrating. So with this one, the font of it, we'll choose the color differently. Or let's choose this color because we are just going to align it somewhere around here. And the font size, let's reduce it to 16. Alright, so now I want us to now insert another picture here. So the one of the birthday, or the one the one whose birthday that we are celebrating. So let's just insert some image to represent that person. So the same thing now, we insert the other picture, but with this time around we are going to insert button there. So I add the cake picture here. So this is the picture that I want us to insert. So let me reduce the size a little. So with this size, you can observe that it is in the form of triangle or rectangle. I said triangle, rectangle or square. I want us to crop it so that it will be an oval shape. So once the shape is selected, you just move on to the crop side and click on crop to shape. So you can choose the oval shape right here. So now you gently have to reduce the size. I guess it's now at the center. So again, let's take this text right here. We're just going to make another copy here. So with this text, let's change the font of it. So let's go and change the font style to semi-bold or condensed. So let's remove the bold. So now the text here will be the date. So let's put something like July 2026. So the color will be color black, and 20 will be the size. So I'm making another copy here, and I guess that one will be the venue. So with the venue, let's just go with any city, any street. So if you have a valid address there, you can put it there. So now there's one last finishing touch that we have to do here. Let me do it. We have to insert another picture here. So let's go back to insert tab and insert another picture. So with this picture, you see when this picture has been selected, the properties of it will appear at the right side of your screen here. So assuming this one is not there and you want it to appear, just right click on this one and click on the format picture. The properties will come here. So click on the soft edges, click on this one, we'll click the last one. So now the size of it, just reduce it to, increase it to 100. So make sure you reduce here and place it somewhere around here. So you can make another copy to this side, but we'll reduce here. This time around here will be small. I will make another copy here. So if also, we'll make another copy here also. So let's send it to the back. Alright, so this one, I'll have to change the color, but it is too dark for me. Alright, so you can see the birthday invitation is now looking nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.